welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a bit, So I bet y'all are wondering, Amber, you're not sitting on the white couch anymore. You have a backdrop. Pretty dang sweet, right? I did get my YouTube set up down in our basement, so I'm pretty excited about that. Although I had it set up last week, and I haven't been able to get down here because I started working this last week for the first time in 5 years. So that's why I look like I have been ridden hard and put away wet. This last week has been very challenging for me. I'm not used to being on my feet for 8 to 12 hours a day anymore, so yeah, it has been a struggle. But I am still very dedicated to YouTube videos and to reaching all of you guys to share with you some new products. So today is going to be my very first Boxycharm unboxing. So I got this in on Friday and today is Monday. I love my Boxycharm. It gives me a chance to try out full-sized products that I probably wouldn't buy for myself normally. And only $21 a month, we always get at least pretty close to $100, if not way over $100 worth of products in our box. So definitely sign up for this. I will link down below my link for Boxycharm, and if you guys want to sign up, like what you see, definitely click on my link. It helps me to get free stuff, which means that I can review stuff for you. So it's a win-win for everybody. So let's get right into this box. The first thing that I am pulling out of my box is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropic Hues. So it looks like this. And let's go ahead and do a swatch for you. It almost looks like it has some shimmer in it. It's very, very pretty. And it's like it's a marble. So let's go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, it's very peachy. It has some gold tones to it. It's very pretty. I'm not sure, I feel like this would be better suited for summer because it has the gold shimmers in it instead of a blush. I'm not sure. We will give this a try and we will see. I am not going to do a try on today for Boxycharm, but I will do the swatches for you because I'm going to do another video right after this. You'll have to keep watching and follow my channel. Subscribe if you would like to see what I have in store for you next. So this Laura Geller blush, baked blush, retails for $28. So already this blush is more than the cost of the monthly box. And the theme for this Boxycharm this month, they always have themes and they have these cute little cards that tell you everything that's in the box, how much everything costs if you were to buy it on your own. And the theme is for this month is Wildflower. And they also send like coupons and stuff on the back. Pretty sweet deal. So definitely check out some Boxycharm. So already $28, you can't go wrong with that. A few months back, we actually got a palette from one of the girls who works for Boxycharm. She does a lot of videos that she puts out on Instagram, doing other people's makeup, talking about the products. She put out her own palette and with her brand called Alamar Cosmetics. I shit you not, that is my go-to palette. I love it. And I should have brought it down here with me because it's so pigmented, absolutely stunning color story, and it just, you have to check out Alamar Cosmetics. It's so beautiful, definitely quality stuff. So she sent over in this month's box some brushes also from Alamar Cosmetics. And I really love the green and the copper. My kitchen is green and copper. So unfortunately, these won't be going in my kitchen. These will be going down here. Eventually, I'm going to move all of my makeup stuff down here so I can have everything at arm's reach. I'm super excited about it, but I've just been so busy with work and trying to learn new stuff and trying to get acclimated to this new schedule with the kids and house chores and dinners and all that stuff. And it has just been so hectic, but we're making it work. So anywho, it looks like this first brush is a flat brush here, which will be really good for packing on the colors. It has a little bit of stiffness to it, but all in all, it feels like it's very quality. The brush feels like it's made well. Nothing is loose or falling apart. When I used to do Ipsy, a lot of times the brushes that I would receive from them, they were already just falling apart. So I discontinued Ipsy. I felt like I didn't want to pay the money just to get sample sizes that I can use like once or twice. So the second brush that is in this is a fluffy brush. Mine is a little bit smush, but I think that it'll probably be fine after a few washes. It's very soft, very soft. I'm really excited to use this actually. And the third brush, I actually could definitely use another one of these, is a flat, and it's a stiff flat brush. I love these for when I go in and I cut out my eyebrows. So I put a little concealer on the back of my hand. I dip into it after I've drawn in my eyebrows or filled them in, and I will just take that concealer and I will cut it to have sharp, sharp eyebrows that could catch you at the ends. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm super excited about these brushes. I cannot wait to use them. And the retail value for this brush set is $18. Says that they are made with 100% synthetic fibers. They're extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat liner blush is perfect for direct color application onto your lash lines. I guess you could use it for that too. I'm not going to, but cool. Okay, so the next item is a lipstick. It is the brand Lorac Pro. One thing that I really wish that Boxycharm could get right is the lip products. I have gotten quite a few lip products from Boxycharm. Pretty much 90% of them I can't wear them. They just don't go with my skin tone. They look terrible. I will try this one on just to see because it is a pretty purple color and I do love purple colors. Let's see if you can see that. So it is a really pretty color. It might just be a little too light for me, and I know that this is gonna look silly with nothing else on my face and just this lipstick, but let's give it a shot and see if maybe they hit the mark this time. What do we think? It's showing up more red in my monitor here, but I don't know. Maybe it can be a look with the rest of my makeup on. It might look different. I'm not super impressed. It's a nice formula. It's creamy. It doesn't feel like it's going to be too drying, but it's not a color that I would grab or go for. Anywho, this retails for $19. I don't know if I already told you guys that, but I wouldn't spend $19. Not on this color. Probably not for the formula either. So, I don't know, Boxycharm, get it together with the lip colors. So, the next item that I am going to pull out of my box is an eyeliner. This eyeliner is by Butter London. It's called Stroke of Wow. It is a roll-on eyeliner. I don't know if you can see this little wheel here. So, just to be 100 with you, I was really hoping I didn't get this. I saw in one of Raw Beauty Christie's videos, she was trying the roll-on eyeliners on, and she was like, what the fuck? What the fuck is this? And she did not give it a very good review, so I was not looking forward to this. I will try this and see. Maybe I'll try it with my next video because I will need an eyeliner. But just rolling it on, it looks like it's going to stay fairly well. Looks like it takes a minute to dry down completely, but we'll give it a shot. We'll see. And this eyeliner retails for $19. $19. So for the last and final item, I actually knew that I was going to get this, and I do not do cool tones. I'm a warm-toned girl, so I already knew that I was going to be giving this palette away. It is an eyeshadow palette. It is by Pretty Vulgar. I love this. I love the brand Pretty Vulgar. They sent over a, I believe it was a blush or a highlighter in another Boxycharm box, and I loved it. It was fantastic, wonderful, awesome. I love the brand. It was a blush, and it was so pretty. I love their packaging. This packaging feels pretty heavy. It looks even more beautiful with the details on the inside. So before I show you the palette, this palette retails for $35. I am gonna have to add all this up to see the amount of this entire box. $21 a month, and you get all of this awesome stuff. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items for $21. So this is what the front looks like. Very pretty. I love the bird. The inside though is stunning. So the colors are called, I'll show you the colors here. This is the palette, this is the colors. They're all very cool toned. Some of the browns are warm toned, but I promised this to a friend, so I'm just going to swatch it because she does more cool tone stuff for her everyday sort of look. It does come with a mirror up top, which I think is really nice. And we'll just go ahead and get into the swatches. Now, I'm not going to do my swatches on my wrist because I am so grossed out by wrists. I don't know why. I think that I am, what is that called? What is the thing called where you have a fear of blood? Whatever that's called, that's what I have. I have that. It's just, I can get shots, no problem, but drawing blood, seeing it, or veins, wrists, arteries, grody. Anywho, so I'm gonna do this on this side of my arm. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, ooh, Break Free. So these are, here are the swatches from the top. So we have Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, Break Free. They look very similar. This one here at the end has some sparkles in it. And then let's go ahead and go in with the second row. Very pigmented. Very pretty. Okay, so now we have, this one is called Dark Side, Hide and Seek, which is a matte, Clutch, which is a shimmer shade, and to Flip Out, very pretty. This Dark Side actually looks more of like a gray taupey color, but very nice. Oh, fuck me. Wow. Holy shit balls. So, and then this is the last couple of rows. So we have I Spy, Silver Spoon. These, oh my god, look at how, this is one, just one swatch. I didn't do it layered, one swatch. So we have I Spy, Silver Spoon, Swoop, After Midnight, and All Nighter. This black is holy shit balls. That, for a black, that is incredible. So those are the colors. This is the palette one more time. Just, it's so beautiful. I love the bird cage. I love details. I love details when it comes to makeup palettes. I'm a sucker for a theme. I can't wait to start buying some. Now that I have a job, I'll probably be picking up some stuff. I am just, it's beautiful. I wish they had sent me some warmer shades and then I would keep it. But this one is going to go to my friend, and I really think that she's going to enjoy this palette. Anybody who loves cool tone colors is going to love this because the pigment is there. It's there. I mean, stunning. I've gone through and I've added everything up, and for $21 a month, this box, with everything included, retails for $119. $119 for a product for $21. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Definitely catch me next time. Next month I will be doing a Boxycharm for every single month that it comes, or that I receive one. And I will see y'all later. Bye. Yeah. Fluffy. Fluffy. You're making me crazy. Stop it. Stop it. I can't film with you doing that. I need to move my lights down or something. Which is a shimmer shop. What? Do you like it too? Do you love it? Do you like the swatches? Yeah? Thank you. You got lipstick on your nose. You got lipstick on your nose. Oh, my feelings stink. Okay. I know. Who's that? Who's that puppy? Do you see yourself? Who's that puppy? Who's that puppy? Okay, you gotta get down. I gotta finish my video. I gotta add all this stuff up. Okay? Where's your bone? Where's your bone? Where's your bone? You go find it. You gotta go find it. Yes. Good girl. Go find that bone. Go find that bone. Okay, God, my Lord. It's too early. It's too early for all of this. Yes. Now get off my backdrop. You can't do that. Toddler dog, get your ball. Go get it. This dog is So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. You are making it so difficult. You can't do that. I got cords and stuff over here, see?